Santa sent a few presents early. Do you like them? Nikki says, Merry Christmas. You've been a very good girl all year. Do you like it? Oh, yeah, that flips down. Look, it comes back up, too. You've got some presents to open. Check it all out.
I got spoons.
It's a spatula and a spoon.
I'm gonna make food.
You're gonna make food.
Right here.
Can you cook something up for me? Here, look inside the oven. I think there's a look inside the oven here. Check it out. Is there a pan? And look, you put the frying pan on top, and it makes noises.